Hello and welcome to the latest edition of The Exchange, brought to you by the New York Stock Exchange. I'm Douglas Jonas, your host. As a reminder, today's interview is for informational purposes only. The NYC does not recommend investments or investment strategies. Now, we are live on the floor today with Strategas Asset Management. I'm joined today by both Jason Trennert and Nicholas Bohnsack. Gentlemen, thank you both for being here.
Thanks for having us.
Jason, I want to come to you first. Now, Strategas, very well known for your macro research, but here you are launching investment strategies going into 2022. Tell us about what you're thinking.
Well, so we've been in business about 16 years. We provide institutional research to institutional investors around the world and around the United States, 45 states, 25 countries. We do a lot of work with model portfolios to inform our research and provide research to our clients. There's been a lot of demand from our clients to turn some of these model portfolios into actual strategies, and that's what we're doing with these two products.
So Nick, now you and your team, you're looking at all the research. How are you actually putting that then into practice with these strategies?
So the idea is to try and get the research into an investable conclusion. The way we do that is through stock baskets. Sometimes those things have really powerful momentum in the moment. We think of those as event-driven or episodic. Other times they're longer form. They're super cyclical. They can last over a number of different business cycles. And so we try to focus on rotating through those themes as we try to get the research into action.
So if we stay a little bit on this topic, you've mentioned to me this idea of thematic rotation. So can we stay on that? Tell me a little bit more about what that means and why would that be right for today's market?
Yeah. A lot of the sector rotation strategies and asset allocation strategies that are in the marketplace, they rotate during the course of the business cycle. With macro-thematic rotational strategies, you're always staying with where the momentum is. And so much of the products that are coming out in the marketplace right now are really focused on one theme at a time. So it's either in vogue or it's out of style. This allows us to keep up with the trend.
And Jason, if somebody's not as familiar maybe with the research coming out of Strategas, where would they go to find more?
Well, the best place is really just our website, www.strategasrp.com. And you'll see that we have about 15 research analysts that put out research on a regular basis to our institutional clients. That, as we've discussed, that forms the basis for these strategies that we're putting into place in the marketplace.
And as a reminder, if you caught this episode live and you're interested in more ETF education, you can find it all on our website, homeofetfs.com. That's homeofetfs.com. We're live from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange, the home of ETFs.